C8 here at Unique Specialty and Classics, and this one is a beauty. 2024 Chevrolet Corvette Stingray R package 3LT coupe. Best of all, one owner, clean Carfax, low mile car at a little over 500 miles is all. Red mist metallic tint coat, jet black interior. Check out all the still pictures of this one, uniqueclassiccars.com. If you're watching this video on YouTube, click on the link down below the video in the description. That's going to take you right to our website where you can see all the still pics. Be over 100 pictures of this car, undersides, interior, engine bay, trunk. And of course you can call us, 507-386-1726. Yes, the paint looks as good in person as it does in the pictures and the videos. Those are carbon flash painted wheels with the machined edge. Original Michelin's on there. I'll hit on some of the options on this from the window sticker, but I'll also have a picture of that window sticker in with the rest of the pics so you can look at the exact options on this car. It does have the front lift adjustable height memory. As you can see here too, the visible carbon fiber removable roof panel. Magnetic ride suspension, performance exhaust. Does have the suede wrapped steering wheel. I mentioned the R appearance package. Stealth interior trim. Has the low rear spoiler as well as the front splitter. Adrenaline red custom leather stitching on the interior, and we're going to get around to the driver's side, check out that interior a little bit closer. Black exhaust tips and more. You can also see the paint. It's free of nicks, dings, scratches, anything like that up and down that passenger side. Remember, we do consider trades. Financing is available. Of course, we can assist with transportation, and this vehicle may be eligible for an extended service contract. Consult with your sales associate when you call in or email. Now, of course, those options I went through, those were free flow options that were an additional cost. It comes with all the standard 3LT options. You'll be able to see that in the window sticker also. And once again, those still pictures, uniqueclassiccars.com. We'll start it up, let you hear it run, take a little peek at that engine bay. Jason's going to take it for a drive too, show you how it goes down the road. I think we know how it'll go down the road with a one owner, a little over 500 miles is all. Clean Carfax, adult driven. And again, driver's side, you can see paint looks like it's wet. It's free of major nicks, dings, or scratches. There's no surprises on this one, folks. Sorry about the noise in the background. They're getting another one ready for us to get online and pictured up in the detail department, working hard this morning. All right, and of course you can see Bose stereo system. Your standard features. Practically zero wear on the seating surfaces. Let's go ahead and start it up. Gotta love the sound. 6.2 liter. This one does have the 8-speed dual clutch automatic with tap shift. All right, there's exact miles, 510. Custom red stitching mentioned earlier. Of course, an adjustable ride height, front cameras. And all the standard 3LT goodies. Let's listen. Obviously, you heard it at startup. That's when it's got the bark. And of course, under throttle. Sounds as it should, sounds as good as it looks. I want to take a peek at that engine bay. Let me pop that open. Let's check it out. All right, let's see that mid-engine. There it is. If you haven't ridden in one of these are extremely quiet. Even with that mid-engine setup. Glass barrier, sound barrier. It's cool. You get a great sound from kind of right behind your shoulder, obviously, but nothing over the top. Absolute joy to drive. Storage area for the removable roof panel. And luggage. I did open the front too so you can see the storage area in it. It also will come with the manuals. Looks like the lift pucks are in here, and anything that would have came with new. So more storage up front, and you'll be able to see that stuff in the still pictures also, as well as that window sticker. Beautiful C8 2024 Chevrolet Corvette Coupe, one owner, a little over 500 miles is all, and just gorgeous in red mist metallic tint coat. Call us 507-386-1726. UniqueClassicCars.com. Check out all those still pics. Remember, we do consider trades. Financing is available. Of course, we can assist with transportation, and this vehicle may be eligible for an extended service contract. Consult with your sales associate when you call in or email.
Hey, did you know that this car qualifies for an extended warranty? It's just like the one you get at your new car dealership, except it covers your classic car instead. It covers all the major components like engine, transmission, drivetrain, and you can get coverage up to 10 years. Repairs aren't cheap. These extended warranties are a no-brainer. Contact us for a quote on this car today.
Today we're driving a 2024 Chevrolet Corvette. This would be a Stingray R. I do have it in sport mode for more fun. This is an automatic, or you can paddle shift it. I have a heads-up display. That is helping me with all the vitals. A little bit of traffic. Our audio system is amazing, of course. Let's see how she does on the highway. And we're already over the speed limit. Immediate satisfaction driving this car. Gripping the road like no other. Awesome exhaust note coming out the tailpipe. At my fingertips. Most of the controls. As I was saying, it is an automatic, so anybody can drive this. It is effortless. Nice feeling, almost like a suede feel to this steering wheel. We do have a removable top, which I believe you would say is a Targa top. Similar to a lot of the Heritage Vettes earlier than this model. Bose Performance speakers. Amazing brakes, amazing acceleration. I'm just going to tell you right now, the cornering is going to be amazing as well. With that mid-engine, cornering capabilities beyond any other Corvette, I would just about guarantee you. We got a little traffic. Well, let's put the window down. Maybe you can hear it a little better. Lovely sound from this Chevrolet Corvette. Check it out at UniqueClassicCars.com.